What happens if you violate bail releases conditions? Imagine being released from custody, only to find out later that you might face serious trouble just for not following the rules. That's what happens when bail conditions are broken. Bail conditions are rules set by the court after you are released to ensure you show up for your court dates and don't commit more crimes. These rules can include staying within certain areas, avoiding contact with victims or witnesses, not using drugs or alcohol, and attending all scheduled court hearings. If you violate any of these conditions, the court can take immediate action. The most common result is that your bail gets revoked. This means the court cancels your releases, issues a warrant for your arrest, and you can be taken back into custody. Once rearrested, you might stay in jail without bail until your case is finished, especially if the violation was serious. For example, if you skip a court date or contact someone you're told not to, that's considered a violation. Violating bail can also lead to new criminal charges. If you contact a protected witness or break a court order, you could be charged with harassment or witness tampering. Traveling outside the approved area without permission might bring charges for violating the court's restrictions. These new charges can add fines, longer jail time, and make your defense more complicated. In some places like New York, failing to appear in court after bail is set is called bail jumping. Bail jumping can be a misdemeanor or a felony, depending on the original crime and how bad the violation was. Penalties for bail jumping include extra fines, more jail time, and losing the chance to get bail again in the future. Many people make mistakes because they misunderstand or forget their bail conditions. Missing court dates without telling anyone, or unintentionally breaking restrictions because they're unclear are common errors. To avoid these mistakes, it's vital to carefully read and understand all bail rules right after being released. Keep track of your court dates and stay in touch with your lawyer or the court if anything changes. Avoid contact with people or places you're told to stay away from. If you think you might have violated your bail conditions, contact a criminal defense lawyer immediately. Getting legal help quickly can sometimes reduce penalties or help you work out a solution. Remember, breaking bail rules can lead to your bail being canceled, rearrest, new charges, fines, and longer jail time. Following all bail conditions carefully is the best way to stay out of more trouble and keep your case moving forward smoothly.